Hi there, it's Josh from the Jestic Culinary Team. We're here, we've got a couple of the Moduline holding drawers that we've turned on today to hold some jacket potatoes and jacket toppings for us. Holding your jackets in your combi or your oven once you finish cooking is not uncommon to see, but what we're trying to demonstrate here is a much more energy efficient way of holding them. It then opens up your cooking device to cook more product. We've had some probes in them for a bit of time now just to track the temperature of them, and we'll cut to a little screen now just to show you how well these drawers hold our product above the legal limits. Really simplistic design on the front. We've got humidity control through the vent switch. We've got temperature dial at the top to set it to our desired temperature. Loads of different variations on how the drawers can come out. We can go wider, we can go higher, we can have individual controls on each level, temperature probes on each level. Really good 3-year warranty on these as well. If you've got any questions on these, either come down to one of our test kitchens or info@jestic.co.uk. So we've got a 2.5 pan configuration at the bottom. Each of the drawers is taking a 1-1 gas tray. We've got some pulled pork that we've cooked to warm and some traditional beans, which we'll just deprobe. And then our potatoes in the top in just a little 1-1 gas tray. Quite deep one though as well. Nice big one.